Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of cosplay with what many are calling the best Shiraishi and costume out there. If you're looking to bring the character to life, stay tuned as we explore the details of this incredible outfit. That's perfect for conventions, Halloween, or just dressing up for fun. First, let's talk about what this package includes. The Lmtsky Shiraishi in costume is a complete outfit, so you won't have to worry about hunting down extra pieces. You'll receive a stylish jacket, matching shorts, a shirt, accessories, and even headgear. Everything you need to embody Shiraishi in is right here. The design of this jacket is truly impressive. It captures the essence of Shiraishi in beautifully, and the attention to detail is remarkable. The fabric feels sturdy yet comfortable, making it suitable for long hours of wear. Whether you're in a crowded convention hall or posing for pictures, this costume allows you to move freely while still looking fabulous. One of the standout features of this cosplay is how well it restores the image of the anime character. The colors are vibrant and accurate to the source material, ensuring that you stand out in a sea of other costumes. Plus, it's available in sizes ranging from small to 3XL, which means there's an option for nearly everyone. But let's discuss sizing. It's crucial to check the size chart provided by the seller to ensure the best fit for your body type. Nobody wants a costume that's too tight or too loose, right? The flexibility in sizing makes this costume a great choice for a wide range of fans. Accessories can make or break a cosplay, and this outfit includes some fantastic ones that complement the overall look perfectly. The headgear, in particular, is a delightful addition that ties the entire ensemble together. It's both functional and stylish, adding an authentic touch that fans of the series will appreciate. Now, let's touch on the quality. This costume has received high praise for its craftsmanship, and many users have noted that it holds up well, even after multiple wears. It's designed for durability, which is essential for those who plan to wear it more than once. Overall, the Lmtsky Shiraishi in costume stands out in the cosplay community for its quality, design, and the complete package it offers. Whether you're a seasoned cosplayer or a newcomer to the scene, this outfit is a fantastic option that promises to impress. So if you're ready to become the ultimate Shiraishi, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and cosplay tips right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative and keep cosplaying.